everyone, it's Tanya here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did an alteration to this really pretty 1970s cotton sundress. What I really love about this type of dress is it's what I call everyday glamour. It's so simple, it's a real throw it on piece. But because of the print and the colour, it kind of makes you feel a bit like you're dressed up without having to feel too formal. Let's get started. So here's the dress on me. There were three main areas which I needed to fix. There was some excess fabric in the upper bust area. The straps didn't sit flat because they were held on just by the buttons. And the dress gaped really badly through the bust area. Having identified that the dress gaped down the front, I realised I'd need to sew it up completely. So that was my first job, which I did by hand to try to make it as invisible as possible. I used a whip stitch. Then I turned my attention to the back of the dress. I unpicked the old label, which is completely faded, so you can't see where it's from. Then I set about opening up the back, cutting through the facing and unpicking the stitching. I was planning to insert a zip, so I unpicked just enough for that to fit in. I pinned it in place and then tacked it, and then took it to the machine to sew it in place. I actually took the dress in slightly with the zip, so there was enough fabric in the facing to turn it over and finish it all very neatly. Next it was back to the front. Here I needed to take some fullness out of the upper bust and sort the straps out so that they lay flat. The buttons were actually holding the straps in place, so the first thing I did was to take those off. And then I focused on getting the bust right, so I tried the dress on and pinned it whilst wearing it. The first one worked fine, but the second one needed a little bit more taking out. As you can see, it's not great amounts. Once both busts were okay, I sewed the straps to the dress itself. Then I sewed the buttons back on, but this time just as decoration. And this is how it ended up. I'm so pleased with the way that dress turned out. I've worn it absolutely loads this summer. I think the lesson that I would learn from that alteration is to think a bit laterally sometimes. The front opening with the buttons just didn't work for me at all. I was very exposed. You know, nobody wants to be showing their bra when they're out and about. So by putting the zip in the back of the dress, I solved that problem completely. And then there were some fitting issues. Sometimes it's only a very small amount that you have to change things. It makes a really big difference when a garment fits you properly. I think the thing about being able to sew and being able to do alterations is that you end up with a pretty much bespoke wardrobe that really fits you properly. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!